Trying to find a good steam iron but not sure which one is actually worth buying? In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best steam irons you can get right now. I compared 5 different models based on steam power, ease of use, durability, and overall value, so you can pick the one that makes ironing quicker and less frustrating. Whether you need something simple for everyday clothes or a stronger option for stubborn wrinkles, one of these 5 should fit your needs. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Persteam SteamTech Elite 1750W Steam Iron. Digital temp control and LED display. Ceramic sole plate. Adjustable steam. Self-clean. Anti-calc. Anti-drip. Auto shut-off. The Persteam SteamTech Elite 1750W Steam Iron is designed to deliver powerful steam performance while offering precise temperature control for different types of fabrics. With its modern design and advanced features, this iron is built to handle everyday clothing as well as more delicate materials. One of the standout features of this iron is its powerful 1750-watt heating system. The high power output allows the iron to heat up quickly and produce strong steam that helps remove wrinkles efficiently from clothing, linens, and other fabrics. The iron includes a digital temperature control system along with an LED display. This feature allows users to easily select the correct temperature for different fabrics such as cotton, silk, wool, or synthetic materials. The digital interface provides clear feedback so users know exactly what setting is being used. Another key feature is the ceramic sole plate. The ceramic surface helps the iron glide smoothly across fabrics, reducing friction and preventing fabric damage. It also distributes heat evenly across the plate to help eliminate wrinkles more effectively. The adjustable steam function allows users to control the amount of steam released during ironing. For light fabrics, a lower steam setting can be used, while thicker materials such as denim or cotton may benefit from stronger steam output. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Easy Steam Compact Iron for Clothes. Automatic shutoff, non-stick plate, lightweight, 1200 watt. The Black Plus Decker Easy Steam Compact Iron is designed as a lightweight and practical solution for everyday clothing care. Built for convenience and ease of use, this iron focuses on simple controls, reliable performance, and compact storage. The iron operates with a 1200-watt heating system that provides sufficient heat for smoothing wrinkles from common fabrics such as cotton, polyester, and blends. It heats up quickly, allowing users to begin ironing without long waiting times. One of the key features of this model is its lightweight and compact design. Because it is smaller and lighter than many full-size irons, it is easier to maneuver while ironing shirts, pants, and other garments. The compact size also makes it easier to store when not in use. The sole plate is designed with a non-stick coating that helps the iron glide smoothly across fabric surfaces. This coating reduces friction and helps prevent fabrics from sticking to the plate, making ironing more comfortable and efficient. The iron also includes a steam burst function that releases a concentrated shot of steam to help remove stubborn wrinkles. This feature is useful when dealing with thicker fabrics or deeply creased clothing. Another useful feature is the vertical steaming option. This allows the iron to release steam while held upright, making it possible to remove wrinkles from hanging garments, curtains, or delicate clothing. Number 3. Sunbeam Turbo Steam Iron 1400W Quick Heat Stainless Steel Sole Plate Shot of Steam Horizontal and Vertical 3-Way Auto Off 240 ml Water Tank White Teal. The Sunbeam Turbo Steam Iron is designed to provide efficient wrinkle removal with powerful steam performance and simple controls. Built for everyday household use, this iron combines quick heating technology with a durable stainless steel sole plate to help make ironing faster and easier. One of the key features of this iron is its 1400-watt heating system. The strong heating element allows the iron to warm up quickly, helping users begin ironing within a short time after turning it on. This quick heat feature is useful for busy mornings or when pressing clothes before heading out. The stainless steel sole plate is designed for smooth gliding across fabrics. Stainless steel surfaces are known for their durability and even heat distribution, which helps the iron remove wrinkles efficiently without snagging on fabric. Another helpful feature is the turbo shot of steam function. This setting releases a concentrated burst of steam that penetrates fabric fibers to help smooth out stubborn wrinkles. It can be used horizontally while ironing clothes on an ironing board or vertically for steaming hanging garments. The vertical steam capability allows users to remove wrinkles from items such as jackets, dresses, or curtains without placing them on a flat surface. This adds flexibility to the iron's functionality. Number 4. Butril 1800-watt steam iron with digital LCD screen, double layer and ceramic coated sole plate, 3-way auto off, 9 preset temperature and steam settings for variable fabric gray. The Butril 1800-watt steam iron is designed for users who want advanced controls and powerful performance for handling different types of fabrics. With its digital display and multiple preset settings, this iron aims to provide precise temperature control and efficient wrinkle removal. One of the standout features of this model is its 1800-watt power output. The higher wattage allows the iron to heat up quickly and generate strong steam output, helping remove wrinkles from a variety of materials including thick fabrics like denim or cotton. The iron includes a digital LCD screen that displays temperature settings and steam levels. This display makes it easier for users to choose the appropriate settings for different fabrics without guessing. Another key feature is the 9 preset temperature and steam settings. These presets are designed for common fabric types such as silk, wool, cotton, linen, and synthetics. By selecting the appropriate preset, users can iron delicate materials safely while still achieving smooth results. The sole plate features a double-layer ceramic coating. This coating helps the iron glide smoothly across clothing while distributing heat evenly. The ceramic surface also helps reduce the risk of sticking or fabric damage. The iron also supports vertical steaming, allowing users to remove wrinkles from hanging garments such as dresses, suits, or curtains. Number 5. Rowenta Iron Steamer for Clothes, Focus Stainless Steel Sole Plate, 400 micro steam holes, powerful steam iron, lightweight, leak-proof, 1725 watts. The Rowenta Focus Steam Iron is designed for high-performance garment care, offering strong steam output and precision ironing through its advanced sole plate design. Known for its reliable construction, this iron is built to handle everyday ironing tasks while delivering professional-level results. One of the most distinctive features of this iron is its stainless steel sole plate equipped with 400 micro steam holes. These tiny steam outlets distribute steam evenly across the entire surface of the plate, allowing better penetration into fabrics and helping remove wrinkles more effectively. The iron operates with a powerful 1725-watt heating system. This strong heating capacity allows the iron to reach optimal temperature quickly while maintaining consistent heat during use. The high steam output works together with the micro steam holes to deliver a continuous flow of steam across garments. This combination helps relax fabric fibers and smooth wrinkles more efficiently. Another useful feature is the burst of steam function. When dealing with stubborn creases, users can release an extra shot of steam to provide additional wrinkle-removing power. The iron also supports vertical steam capability. This allows users to steam garments while they are hanging, making it useful for refreshing suits, dresses, or curtains. So those are my picks for the top 5 best steam irons. Hopefully seeing all 5 options side by side helped you decide which one fits your laundry routine best. If you want to check out any of them, you'll find the links in the description below. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest product comparisons.